10 Health Benefits of Raw Garlic Eating. Fight against bacteria. Eating garlic in empty stomach is very useful because when you are empty stomach the time bacteria inside your stomach already got weak and bacteria will not be able to fight against the power of garlic. So this moment health benefits of raw garlic will occur. Just eat garlic in an empty stomach and be healthy always. Strengthening the immune system. Eating garlic empty stomach strengthens the body's immune system, and the human body becomes stronger to fight diseases. Protection from cold and flu. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and its use in winter will protect you from a cough, flu, and coldness. I would like to add one more thing to use in winter along with garlic, and that is natural honey. Garlic and honey combination for flu is very useful. This mixture is used commonly in homes at winter season in South Asia. Wall against lung infections. People who smoke should eat garlic twice a week. According to a Chinese research, eating raw garlic reduces 44% risk of developing lung cancer. Smoking affects to lungs, so eating garlic will be useful for this. Opens blood vessels. If blood vessels are closed, use garlic every day, soon you will feel that your body is restored. Skin problems. If you have skin problems, then increase the amount of garlic in the food. It will reduce the death-dealing substances in your body and will be perfect. Nervous weakness. Garlic is very useful even if there is a problem of nervous weakness. Helps in heart failure treatments. Oil is a component of garlic which is called diallyl trisulfide, helps to protect the heart during cardiac surgery. Researchers believe that diallyl trisulfide could be helpful as a treatment for heart failure. Reduce blood pressure. Eating garlic also helpful for reducing high blood pressure. Garlic improves blood antioxidant potential and causes a reduction in blood pressures. Honey and garlic together. Eating honey and garlic together have a lot of benefits. Both together they can lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, helpful to fight with cold and flu, boost the immune system and eliminate toxins. Eating garlic and honey mixed reduce the weight also.